This is our Citation XLS. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but this thing is awful dirty. We have a guy hired to clean it, and he is just not doing it. It's been sitting here over a week. I don't know if you can tell, it's just very dirty, a lot of bugs, streaks. May not show up good on camera, but you can definitely see it here. We've asked them several times to clean it, and there's always too busy, too busy, too busy. And look at our bills, and we're getting charged for some pretty good cleaning that we're not getting. And that's going to come to a complete stop. Hard to tell, but all kind of streaks. Has not been cleaned properly. Just has not. There's the AP exhaust. Look how nasty that is. Can't hardly tell on the video, but this is dirty, dirty, dirty. Absolutely no sense in it. Absolutely no sense. Filth and dirt. So I've fired 3 aircraft cleaners in the past year. Off the same thing. Just will not, under no circumstances, clean the damn airplane. That right there. It's been there for weeks. Nasty, nasty there for a long time. So I'm going to have to hire my 10-year-old son to clean it. Absolutely amazing.